Hi everyone. Today I thought I'd talk about backing up your Procreate files. Now if you back up your iPad to iCloud, your files are getting backed up with that backup. You just can't access those files individually. But what if you want to back up your files so that you can actually access them in case something goes wrong, or you accidentally delete a file, or you need space on your iPad and you want to be able to access the files that you might want to delete out of Procreate to make space in your iPad. It's very easy to do. You're going to go into your gallery, you're going to hit select, and you're going to go through and tap what it is that you want to back up. Now, as you can see, from my first file that I tapped, you can also do this with stacks, and it'll back up all those files that you have in a stack. Once you have whatever you want selected, tap share, tap the format that you want to export it in. If you wanted to maintain layers and all the features in Procreate, so you can go in and edit it as if it's a Procreate file, choose Procreate. Otherwise, choose the feature that works for you. If you just want it as a backup of a file, go for JPEG or PNG. It's up to you what format you want to back up in. For me, I back up in Procreate so I can reopen them in Procreate and edit them again. And then I suggest saving them to files so that it goes to files. It'll back up to iCloud. You can back it up to a thumb drive if your iPad is capable of backing up to a thumb drive. You can back it up to a remote drive, back it up to wherever you want to back up to. Now, you may notice that my files are untitled. That's going to cause a big problem when I go to restore a file, because I won't be able to see what it is I'm backing up. So as you can see, here's my backup I made a while ago of Procreate, and they're all called Untitled. They all have the Procreate icon, and I don't know what it is unless it has a title in it. Like here, I have Color Ninja. So it's real important to give your files a name so that you can tell what it is when you go to restore from backup. Some of the files will show you a preview, some won't. I'm not really sure what makes it show a preview and what doesn't, so just to be on the safe side, I would go with a name for your backup. So to make a name, all you have to do is tap the title of the piece in your gallery. It will come up like this, and then tap the little keyboard, give it a name, hit done, and then it'll change the name right there. So there you go. That's how you can back up files from Procreate. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, please like it, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you next time.